So this is the process ready to hang blown in cellulose in the walls. We call this blown in bats. So we hang a fiberglass mesh net, we staple it on, and then we cut holes in there and we start blowing in our insulation, get a nice tight pack, and it's ready for drywall.
Like it, running the dry one. You don't you want the dry one.
We're starting to insulate the walls, and what I'll do is I'll show you around what we're doing is a BIBS product, which is a blown-in bat system. We're using loose fill cellulose to do that, and I'll kind of show you around the house what we're doing today. We're going to be finishing up the walls today and probably get about half the ceilings done, but I'll kind of show you what we're doing. If you look over there, we got a net up. It's a fiberglass net, and then we poke little holes in it, and then we dense pack either cellulose or fiberglass, and in this case we actually did the cellulose. It's a little bit better product for dense packing and hopefully air sealing. Those plumbing lines right there is for a ductless heating and ventilation air conditioning system. But what's kind of cool, you can kind of see all the air sealing techniques we're doing on this vaulted ceiling gable end here.